Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to set up dynamic DNS, DDNS, in Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Most home internet connections use dynamic IP addresses, which change frequently. This makes it hard to consistently access your Linux system remotely. DDNS solves this by linking your changing IP to a fixed hostname, like my home server.ddns.net, so you can always connect, even if your IP changes. DDNS is especially useful for remote SSH access to your Linux server, hosting websites or APIs from home, running game servers or custom services, viewing security cameras or smart devices remotely, setting up DDNS on Linux with no IP. Create a no IP account and hostname. Go to noip.com. Sign up for a free account. Create a hostname, for example, myhomeserver.ddns.net. Make sure to check Enable Dynamic DNS. Then click Next to generate a DDNS key, or click Cancel to use normal no IP account credentials, username or email, password and hostname. This hostname will point to your current public IP. Install no IP DUC using Package Manager. This method works best for Debian-based systems, Ubuntu, Mint, Raspberry Pi OS. Download the latest DUC package. Extract the tarball. Navigate to binaries and install the correct package. Once installed, verify with Configure DDNS credentials and hostname. Create a config file to store your no IP credentials and the hostname you want to update. Add the following. You can list multiple hostnames separated by commas. If you're using DDNS keys, use all.ddnskey.com, your DDNS key username, and your DDNS key password. Enable no IP DUC to run at startup. Copy the systemd service file. If you installed the no IP DUC from source, change line 7 in your etc systemd system no IP DUC.service file to reload systemd and enable the service. Check status. Test your DDNS setup. Visit your no IP dashboard to confirm your public IP is updating correctly. Try accessing your Linux system remotely using your DDNS hostname. Alternative, router-based DDNS. If your router supports no IP or other DDNS providers, you can configure DDNS directly in the router settings. This avoids needing the DUC on your PC. The router will update your IP automatically. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.